Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications here, I started one Telegram as well as the Facebook group links, guys. And both the two links I kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may join in that group. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see one official notice published by the University Grants Commission regarding the All India Online Kamadhenu Gau Vignan Prachar. So here the primary, secondary and the college and the university students can able to participate in this online examination, and here one appreciation certificate also you will get from the government of India. So please utilize this opportunity, guys. Okay. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here you can check down on 12th Feb 2021. So here the University Grants Commission released this public notice. So you can check down, as you are aware, the Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Government of India, established in Feb 2019, has been working on dissemination of information on economic, scientific, environmental, health, agriculture and spiritual relevance of indigenous cow in the country. So Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog is going to conduct on an all India online Kamadhenu Gau Vignan Prachar Prasar examination on 25th Feb 2021 for students of primary, secondary, senior secondary schools, colleges, universities and for all the citizens. Okay. So all the participants will be given the appreciation certificates also, and the relevant information for this exam is available on the website of the Ayog. So here the website is given. And I write this to request you to give wide publicity to this initiative and encourage students to enroll, register themselves for this examination. This may also brought to the notice of the colleges affiliated to your university. So on behalf of University Grants Commission from my YouTube channel, I am also announcing and I am also doing the wide publicity regarding this examination. And the complete details regarding this exam you will get in the official website of the kamadhenu.gov.in, that I will show you the details right now. So it is official website of this one, guys. So you may check down Government of India, Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog, Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy. And in this one, so if you enter into this official website, here you may check down that exam is there, and information, reference material, registration, mock exam and final exam is also there. So here the registration is completely free, guys. So click on that one, then you will be directed to this one, and the exam will be conducted in the regional languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Sanskrit, Punjabi, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Bengali, Telugu and Odia. And the category of attendees, so citizen of India, international or NRI citizens also, primary level, secondary level, college level. Okay. And the time slots of the exam is given here. For the primary level 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., secondary level 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. and college level 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and citizens of India 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. and international NRI citizens 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And the important tentative dates, the registration starting date is 5th Jan and the closing date is 20th Feb. Mock exam date is 21st Feb and the exam date is 25th Feb. Result on the spot you will get. And after successful registration, you will get the username and password for login while examination. You can attend online exam through web browser. You will get examination link from 20th Feb 2021 from this website. You can use any device like mobile, laptop, desktop with camera in working conditions for attending the examination. Okay. So these are the details regarding the registration, guys. And if you want to get the information that you may go through this one. And while coming to the final exam, just click on that one. The date of the final examination will be provided soon, because whatever the dates we've gone through, those are the tentative dates, guys. And the reference material is also provided here, okay, that you may go through that one in the respective regional languages. Okay, so you may go through that one. So download the Kamdhenu Desi cows and some shlokas in scriptures and the indigenous cattle breeds of India and Panchgavya. So you can download this one for your reference purpose. Okay. Anyhow, please remember the dates, guys. Okay. So here on behalf of EGC, so I am also announcing regarding this examination. So it is available to all these categories. So please participate in this one. Okay. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.